Didi, as you can see on your screen, we are going to do Ram Manohar Lohia. Okay? The Ram Manohar Lohia Jirwa. Quran ke yan dire tanda nganjugi khasan democratic resurgence ki walia I told you that there's so many people who contributed towards the democratic resurgence, right, as such, and the din sum nanglo nganjugi Jai Prakash Narayan khasan jo checha wacherwa ta na shingi ta ngajo tharing Ram Manohar Lohia chere Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Quran chinda 1910 23rd March, he was born, and then he passed away on 12th October 1967. His background, you need not go too much detail into this background. It's just for your, extra knowledge, because Quran background Quran ideology the Quran and background relationship, it's always advisable that we do a little bit of background, okay, so as to understand the ideology of that particular person better. The Quran his ideology is socialist, and Quran democratic socialism, okay, which we'll do later. Politics nanglola, he has taken active participation. Politics nanglola chik khurang khaji gi standing point chik kharasana. He is a very strong critique of Congress party. Okay, mixing Nehru la khurang gi criticize shu chigre. Tugunda mandawarwa khurang gi Nehru's la criticize chijingi gi khurang la tanda anti-Congress scale lagdwa. Kur dinde la suido dinde ke tu. The Qurangi any Japton Chunju she, the Keshe Karsana Qurangi didre principles. So this is really, really important. Okay, we'll do one by one. Tambodelia Tandadi principle of democratic socialism. Democratic socialism, it is socialism which is associated with democracy. Okay, so he actually Jagagi socialist movement he gave a new direction. Okay, Qurangi kala waslanarwa socialism dirwa Jaga namjugi majugi chidangi maju socialism lave kapdelia maju egalitarian societies tikala shengorwa. The Quran kala wasna that European socialism didi ani Jaga patient chewajna ingumares Jagagi socialist Didi ani khari koksana jaga rangi gerab da nashi jaga rangi lam luksuje jaga rangi ani culture di kala shicheve thone ani socialism gi tadu di manjugi ani hakho chigu go res, otherwise it won't work. Okay, jaga gi socialism di ta ani western gi socialism di chawani di dagma res ra kaisina jaga gi nature, okay, history, culture, tradition, that's some Western in Logarwa. So the Western Nanglola, socialism, the revolution race, in a Jaga Nanglola, socialism, the democratic process race. Chiche. New Delia, democratic socialism, Lavekatelia, any politics jerwa, and the political system, the democracy race. Economic system jerwa, the any socialism Lavekatelia, whereby the means of production, company and the factory, the price. The any price decides here in a day, the resources kopshe get just how much you chigrana and shungi chivrana kadama manganyuk to be keja duxtre. Okay. Second one we have is he is opposed to capitalism and socialism. India la Kurangi democratic socialism di tataka res. Capitalism, the communism, socialism, with whereby all the means and productions, everything is shung rangi simchero penchashni dinashi Russia nashi political party chikle jero dilla wo didi ani ke kalosna jagala devo for mindus Karching nana thangi shimba. Jaga korangi culture, tradition, race, history. Dige changma ani European country da tagi medi ruwa. Di ki capitalism da socialism la di ani jaga la chawani ni di tatuk ni di jaga la work chesa korma res. Digi ni pet kora irrelevant reshas. Karching nana capitalism nanglo la ya ani kyugi kita kyunja dige di shevra jina. Capitalism nanglo khare means of production dige chazan di ani people ki own chirwa means of production ladi ra tu sik thakol la laga chire ma tu yen dil awsta factory da dige chazan means of production simply means all those factories which produces things okay chaza dige di chama takpo sursana ta people ki own individuals ki own chirwa okay so di nanglo khasana everything is privatized company dige chazan yo owner sama sursana individual privatization shushin pe wa chaza dinde indi ro company dinju ki chala khari mo khari syo brajine ki mima la needs la ta mare mima ki dedu la ta mare ro khunju ki mi ki chala khari mo khari tyo rajani lebana khar shagre profit motive ra re khepsa ran samata be thone ani kunju ki ta company ki chala khar tyo ne dige pyongor di tyo be kyum ta market ki pricing dige chasang ge ro ani di shung ki chido chigor chu yo mare chasang khanda dige khasa private crowns rang ki chigidwa okay compensation Apple iPhone ki gong khaso ya ma cha la sama Apple company koran deborwa wo din ashin girwa kanda so come price tige chazarwa and everything is the market the prices and everything is controlled by the market okay dinde indi ruwa ta kharchik sana khepsan asam tan mi dinju gi dinde khepsan tang chi dirwa khali chini du pencho sangmarwa and mi khashish la bolle che okay and khali chini monopoly chadugo company chinji sama company chimbu wall lingi chije okay dinde shaji monopoly shukshumbul shuj ligi dumzela tene and di ki nyenga kharu tu devosna mimangi freedom da mimangi ani liberty delaya an kangi shukshumbul pe nyenga shukshumbul pe chagor dide kangi tu yudi ro capitalism gi thama thapshu delaya khanda ultimate danger is the freedom and liberty of people which and dinde imbe dumzela tene ani di system di kyogi kyakal irrelevant deshas kyakal go mindos lagor okay ta socialism la tayinda okay socialism dige kyu khalosna ya kyaga la socialism de irrelevant reshas okay kharchin na thande chale ya ngu socialism la wake up de ya communism ka shego slime ba tan the USSR ka jigito chire tan the USSR gi system follow chi gyo jwa dela ta kesi di shego jna kuningi gi tangi ta dinge yang sense repeat chi de word kyu khansa kyu la ko ro de la history culture tradition la ka khala nature la go ro kuning jaga da ani western countries tinju gi ro nature ko ro ko mares kharchin lana ro thanda USSR da dinju gi khumsa na Karl Marx ki socialism di sheko USSR ka ji follow chhe di khazanya ma di line ba bolshevik revolution di follow Lenin ki go to Lenin suk follower is na Karl Marx ki socialist di follower so according to Karl Marx ki ani ki shisun chewer revolution di is line ba revolution de su li is na last la ani khanza labor ki kin li res la war okay di kap de ya kunju gi ani labor ki dominance che ngor but then kyaga nanglo ya dominance ti kharela sam shukche di labor marwa shukche kharyosana ngaju kyaga nanglo ya shingbarwa ti ndurwa dominance of the society kora nature kora dagi medurwa pike socialism di ngaju dinang buk chi kora mares la war chikche niwa delia the eastern western countries chirwa dige nanglo ya and socialism di khandis leads na through revolution di reslar okay hine kyaga nanglo ya and socialism di khandis leads na tangila ba revolution trending maris kyaga nanglo khadli na through democratic process nanglo tinding des so di socialism communism des dinde emba sonza ro ani dinicha an kyaga ki economic dida bet kora irrelevant reshas ta democratic socialism ki and miri dikhares la original wa through democratic socialism where the democratic socialism na thangi kanju khala ba politics di political di ani mangju she wa ani economic di ani socialism where everything is controlled by the means of production is controlled by the state but then di thangi di line ba USSR the chance thuga yo marta USSR the means of production there politics dige ani ya pet kora communist ki chigi wa chizan del kheba di yore kenso tande din nanglo ya democracy di kheba yore shungdi democracy de ani koran gi tanda democratic socialism di wala migi di khares la wajna economic ki migi ngune ani mi changma ya the food and housing there okay kansana shung di mangzo shung damni di mimang ya tam ngurwa mangzo shung damni ngurwa mangzo shung di nanglo lo inde sin gyuba tam be thone kanda ta socialism the means of production la dirwa shung la we kabre khaza di nanglo shung gi symbiotic ge nanglo la control chazan dina workers nzula yata ko us la gorwa ani dindi indi kunju gi migi khora kharsna di gyune ta equality socialism la we kapela we believe in equality right we believe in where everybody gets the basic needs dindi dong the basic needs the food and housing chawor is migi khora democratic socialism dindi jaga the democratic socialism chawe gi gyune economic the objective the migi the nima chamarian food and housing okay ताना शिकन non economic objective दी गवलियान के खरे खेचम के सकोसना मांगजो ताना शिंगी अनि रावानी थी okay so he wants to make sure that everybody enjoys freedom and that it has a very good democratic system all right tine tanga jo shivadelia choburja rajniti legdwa tanda choburja rajniti lavekap delia khegi di lagor jaga nanglolia chidangi khurang jaga rangje ra chawani chicherwa ani di jaga rangje ra chane shin ani jaga gi system jerwa telo khesh debache khangmare okay kangi mangbo shuchi thongorwa so he feels that this choburja rajniti is the solution okay or this model can be the solution to all the problems of India the choburja rajniti nanglolia kyugi pillar shishire okay village district region and center okay kyukalosna politics ke walia ani pillar shires village district region and center dikenswa tilaude quran khachidan khari believe chi wasna politics lava kabel he believes actually in the political and economic decentralization okay which is completely opposite to the communist socialist system okay so the quran he believes that politics politics in economics in decentralized chigo yes the decentralization wala ya pillar shishe dwa okay pillar shiti nanglo ne pillar shijarwa france all these four pillars will work independently chig wala chig mai bache so gini rawan ki dembe ki dezen thoni lega cheche yine ya rawan dembe lodi royan pet propose jeva che mejo mai bache although all these will be working independently however they will be linked together okay shazan dinju indi ro quran chulia ani phazu nyemdolia link here rest ra di link di gani khari start ani di link di gani mangzo yang thakpachi establish chi rest la dikenswa shazan politics wala thamu del khala so decentralization under the quran gi choburja la dure kaza di wolia and four pillars of politics line but politics four pillars now village district region and center and all these pillars will work independently all these will have their own legislature all will have their own sovereign power okay so independent data and the sovereign level and the independent level all this will work independently however they will be linked together so this linkage will actually establish a good democracy yes wa tilagor chizan dinde indi quran gi mixe gi decentralization walia and the small machines in a rare wata na shingi ani villages okay mixe gi the village ta digela thongse duala so gi thongse quran do loksu gi police go yores lagor ki wa ta na shingi ro ani quran do loksu gi ani welfare function go do sinji ngaja tigu ina police ti kangla che village ti wall do sto ta dinde mai be village quran jurang ya loga kora khanda ta sosurangi ani police ta dile ko yores la khanda khyo digas ki ani rawan da kunjul ya ani khechimbu chi ve thone kunjul ya ani power digas te go do so that they all will work independently okay teacher and di galia khyo kharshe gosna obviously and the socialism love kap delia tanging mazita means of production dige chasan the quran do ibarajina equality man believe chi gita mixegi and the industry in a re ta na shingi agriculture re ani property private property jo mewa suche property dige chasan chi quran kala usna shumshe tango res la everything has to be nationalized okay the choburja rajniti ti utse so kan chi kochu yewa then we have affirmative actions. Affirmative means, of course, something positive, right? So, basically, Ram Manohar Lohia is actually talking about reservations. Okay, but he's referring to reservation system to uplift the downtrodden people. Okay, reservation system di volia and gender equality da mix ukane ani caste equality di kan ya ko be shuchim shirwa kurangi khari belief chigo sana ani kyaga di caste system di ani inequality jero caste inequality di never maswe phaturiya kyaga tsawani ni yarge duma res. Okay, so he believes that unless the caste inequality is established, India is not going to progress. Okay, jaga ki di kab delia reservation kala khazam jilte tebor wang azu bencha schedule caste schedule tribe la azu jaga ki constitution wall ya reservation kala khazam yorwa ine dine ko debo khandi yo mare. He was not satisfied, okay, with the provision of reservation, which actually was there in the constitution, because he feels that that was limited to certain section of people. People mi khala khanjam chila matorwa mangu shu chila thandu ani ragu mendus lagor. Okay, kyugi khala osana reservation la di downtrodden people, okay, scheduled caste the scheduled tribe chikku chila maim begis surate go osana ani woman le ani reservation te go. Yes, under this he says that reservation should also be given to women and non-religious minorities. Yes, tande chali yang minorities nangota penja scheduled caste scheduled tribe che ani biggest reservation year wada kurangi tingal thandu shuk capture and women and non-religious minorities tinjule ani reservation te go dos lahor. Okay. Then party of socialism. The Quran thinking issue, I told you he was one of the strongest anti-Congress person. Okay, Nehru la thanda boto kap Quran lo kapte change pinji chung yugi mare. So Quran khain sevrajna ta jaga rangze raj ha vegi jeni ani politically stagnant dela and he was like frustrated. So he actually was against the Congress system because he felt that the politics after India's independence, in a way, it was stagnant. Okay, did tungu and Quran do impartana tangita equality course shigi or ruatanashi caste removal course shigi the ketcheshu di Quran gita tanda mi round or juvegi any tanda taranzo socialism the constitution equality constitution war. So the Quran kalos na dindegi ani ta socialist democratic socialism yunga chedulia manju ki that mangshi Quran wa grassroots level Quran ya and socialist revolution dindeji in Quran ta kanda migi roj sungor. Okay, di migi sungwe tone ani Quran gi tangi tanda choburja rajniti wa ta dinde kanda mangzo that Quran democratic socialism yaku yunga da dinde chedulia ani Quran gi tangi ro the democratic socialism di gitta du tanda na shingi ani tanda choburja rajniti laijwa dingi kala ya ani shiche be tone Quran gi party of socialism laijwa o telia an Quran gi support pe shukshin buchi go reslar. The party of socialism ravkalanda kanda kyan gochuswa party of socialism di ani kharichet kanda dirta choburja rajniti da and da nashin democratic socialism di ngala shiche ve thone korangi party of socialism del support chigo resla. The party of socialism di khare it's an attempt to merge all the political parties sama merge chiche ani party chik se chura di party chik del kharsana ani party of socialism laide. Okay, the party of socialism, Quran ki, according to him, this should have three symbols. Party of socialism, ziwala symbol sumi jimi ko res. Symbol sum dikhares lawajna spade lana thanda jama delegwa. Ani jama di ki khari jama che and daga nashingi vote. Okay, daga nashingi prison. Okay, penchashana Quran ki spade lava kabdela di ki khari sungosna ani mi ki ta kanda kale jawe wa lega constructive work where people are ready to work constructively towards the establishment of equal society or egalitarian society. Okay, dinde chikla mi ki ani tanda tumba dekche. mi dumba jorwa di shingorwa niba delia ani khalosna ta dinde di kan mi dumba kan an khari gosna di kan ya ani vote raise the power of voting di mimangi ani ta delia mi dumba kan da di kan ya ani wangja di raswa voting di ita election ko shingorwa so it actually talks about legislative power okay da na shingi election di korchi yoche ani sumba delia ani kyugi prison di symbol chi prison di gi khari chungosna di gi ani meeting ju gi ta thanda so gi lega che gi dumba cham chikku chi maim be gi an lotang che gi ani khasa willingness to create this classless society. For example, ani the civil disobedience movement nashi. Diwali ya midin jugi so deba yobe thone chunga na tu khanda lungba gi thundal ya so chunga na ru do. Today gi chewa chini kyu gi dilawsna. Oh, this sundi ani these three actually formed the three symbolic pillars of a revolutionary struggle. Ani party of socialism di korangi symbol sundi kyu. All right, so this is all about Ram Manohar Lohia's ideas or his political ideology.